Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be working on my Cricut machine, so you guys get to see that. I am going to be making our shirts for our vacation, and I also will be creating the kids' beach pails. So a lot of people are wondering if the Cricut is worth the money. Let me just tell you straight up front, it is definitely well worth the money. I have had this machine for over 2 years now, and I have decorated anything from tumblers, shirts, beach pails, coasters, decals for windows, and my car. So yeah, you name it. And I've also cut out things such as cardstock with my Cricut, and yeah. So for today's video, like I said, it is a Cricut video. No, I'm not sponsored by Cricut. I sure wish I was, because as much as I have put into my Cricut machine, the material, and you know, just of course like the time of learning how to work it takes a lot. But as soon as you start to know how to work it, you will make that money back off of that machine ASAP. So first things first, let me show you what I'm going to be working on. All right, so I have 4 red Gildan shirts. I have medium, a youth medium, youth small, adult large. So I also ended up buying this Cricut Everyday Iron-On. This is black. And then I also will be, like I said, working on the kids' beach pails. So Skylar got pink, and I got this teal for Cam. So I think that I'm just gonna strictly like put names on them, but then just decorate them. And so I'll have to see what idea I come up with for those. Now the t-shirts, I still have no idea what exactly I would like to do with these or what I would like to put on them. So I think that I need to sit down now and plan it out. Alright, so go into your Cricut if you have one. If not, this is what you're going to want to download when you do get your Cricut in the mail. So you're going to go to New Project because you do want to start a new project. I simply just typed in like summer or sharks or mermaids and things like that in order to find images for their buckets. So with that being said, I just decided to do a shark theme for my son, and then a Hello Kitty theme, but also mermaid theme, beach theme for my daughter. So these are just the simple things that you can get on Cricut if you pay the $10 a month, which is going to give you access to all the fonts and all of the images. So when you're using Cricut, go ahead and load your mat, and then also make sure that it's Bluetooth to your iPad or phone that you're going to be using, or computer. I make sure that I put the settings on for vinyl, as this is what this is. There's also settings for iron-on. There's also settings for other things on there, such as cardstock and everything else. So I just went ahead and made the images myself and printed them off. I'm just going to place them, pull the transfer tape back. So that is what this plastic is called, transfer tape. It is going to help transfer the letters or whatever images you are trying to maneuver over onto that. Now I do want to put something onto the shovel pail, but I'm not sure if it's going to actually stay or not, due to the fact that kids probably will be using it in the sand and it might come off. So I wanted to make it like a little 3D type. So I did the 2 sharks on the beach pail. Now I did do a decoration on the front and the back. On the front it has 1 image and a name. On the back it just has an image. As for my daughter, I just decided to do Hello Kitty, which is what she asked for. her name, and then I also decided to do something kind of cute on the back that was just random, because I couldn't really find a cute mermaid one, nor could I find anything else. So I just ended up finding this cute little sea turtle, and then I just put a like beach saying next to it. Girls just want to have sun. And so this turned out really cute. I adore it. Wish that I could have had one for myself back when I was a little girl, but we all know that Cricut was not available then. And so here's the outcome of those beach pails. Definitely be sure to inbox me over on Instagram at Sierra.Davis94 if you're interested in having a beach pail custom made for you. I only charge about $5 for those, and I'm not sure how we would handle shipping, but we will see about that. So next I'm going to go ahead and decorate our vacation shirts, as that is what we will be wearing the day that we leave, and especially when exploring before checking into our hotel at 4:00 p.m. So I just decided to go on Etsy and pay for a cute little design that I just had to download and add to my files. So as you can see, it just clearly says Making Memories 2022 Family Vacation. At the bottom, it will say where we are going. So this is exactly how the shirts are going to go, and you'll see the outcome at the end. Thanks guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it inspires you to go and buy a Cricut and go broke just like I did, but make your money back ASAP. All right, so here they are.